Hey everybody, in this video I want to address life insurance, and the question that I want to address is how much and when do I need a life insurance policy? And the question that I would pose back in response to that is think about who would be affected if something happened to you by the loss of your financial income. So if you have a family, or if you have debt that may be passed on to somebody else, or you have a house that you would have to sell or somebody would be taking over, any type of debt that you would have, think about who would be financially impacted if something were to happen to you. And I think that if you answer that question, you'll be able to have a good idea of whether you actually need life insurance or not. And depending on your situation will determine the amount of life insurance that an agent can recommend for you. I would say that any type of life insurance is better than having no life insurance policy, because no matter what happens to you, there most likely will be some type of funeral expense. So even if you just have a small policy to get your family or your friends by to pay for the funeral so nobody has to worry about that, I would just recommend having something as opposed to nothing. So the question I addressed is, how much life insurance should I have, and when should I get a life insurance policy? And I think if you answer who would be affected and what would the effect be if something did happen to you, I think that will help determine whether you need a policy and how much life insurance you will need. So that's the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.